Hey everybody, Average Picker here. So yeah, I think it's like 2:40, 2:45 a.m. But I was falling down a rabbit hole of idiocy on the internet. Figured, you know what? I should just be picking a lock instead. So we have a challenge lock here. I don't remember who it's from, but we will track all that information down once we see if we can get into it, right? I'm picking at a really weird angle to the lock. I hope you can kind of see okay. Now I'm going bottom of the keyway tensioning because in setting up for this video, I noticed the keyway is a little bit worn and I was having some slippage with the top of keyway tensioner and it was kind of blocking up that first pin some. So I decided we're going to try to go with bottom of the keyway, which is not normally what I do. God, I am picking very sideways to this lock, just so you know. And I still don't think it's giving you that great of an angle. But I will say that is being worked on. We are in an information collecting phase. I want to get the camera thing right one time. I'm so sideways to the lock, it's hard for me to tell where I'm at. Okay, oh, that something just happened there. That was quite the pop. Maybe, yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we're in. Awesome. I almost didn't even feel that was happening there. Okay, let's do a camera tilt so we don't lose you in frame. Check this out, Bobby Keys. Love you, man. That's quite awesome. You know what? I think. Do I have? I took a bunch of tools out to the shed today. I think this one will fit. Oh, that is quite in there. I mean, it's also a little bit on the small side. Hold on a second. Let's see if I can find something. This one might be a little too big. Nope, there we go. Yeah, I had to get the weed whacker and stuff back up and running today. So moved a lot of those just basic tools out to it. Though, I mean, I've got like 10 versions of everything. It's just that the stuff for the locks, I know immediately where it is, right? So a lot of times I'm prone to going, oh, I need a screwdriver. I will just grab it from the lock picking area, as opposed to looking where else I may have put one. Man, I do not like gutting around the camera like this. You know what? We've got a key. We'll just relock it. Pretty sure this one's got a key. I hope it does. You know, I know it's got all these other bits on here, and I still just find that hook the most useful. Alrighty, what am I doing? Tweezers. Put that away. The key. Let's find the key. I think this is it. Number 4. Gereon Bodner. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm familiar with you. Maybe. Doesn't ring a bell unless that's your real name and you go by it. You've got a different handle. I didn't even think about this core being so tiny. How are we gonna, Oh, you know what? Bobby, you sent me some variations of some small followers. I wonder if one of these is gonna work. Oh, that's a trip. Yeah, so Bobby Keys also sent me some followers, and there's a couple variations of those very small ones, and that's awesome because I think otherwise I would have been stuck trying to come up with something. All right, that's weird. So it's 6. Didn't feel like 6. Looks like standard. We'll do a close-up of these. Let's just get them out. Oh crap. I think that's gonna be it. We'll double check it at the end. I like this tray. I know. That's a nice little tray. Well, it's just fun, right? Average picker. And yeah, that's front. Sorry guys, it is almost 3 in the morning. Yeah, and red and black. Oh shit! I let him pick the color. Picked red and black, which is very cool by me. I will let you all come up with your reasons why. And we'll turn that around later. We know that's the way it goes. I guess I could be using the top part of that tray there. God, stuff's small, man. This is when I know my eyes are going. And it looks like up top we've got just, I know my shadow is probably getting in the way of that. Looks like we just got all steel springs going on up there. We'll try to leave those intact. Let's see what we've got going on here. Yeah, so it looks like we got a little bit of modifications on 2 and 6. A little bit of undercutting. Everything else feels pretty stocked out. Should I put my lamp back over here? Well, anyway, I'm going to do a cut now, and we will zoom in and take a look at these guys. That is still tripping me out, man. It's just the timing on that arrival was just too good. Too good. All right. Let's take a look at what we've got. God, these things are tiny. So that's our number 1, and it does have some very subtle serrating right there towards the top of it. Nice. Our number 2, deeper serrated spool element there. Wow, 3 was that big of a lift. Oh, I guess look at, oh, put the key up here. Yeah, I guess it would have been. Huh. Don't remember feeling like, I felt like 3 was actually pretty low once I got the pickup under it. It was difficult to get the pick under until I loosened the tension a little bit. But then it almost seemed to set itself. I mean, thickness of the pick. Yeah, I mean, I guess you figure I was coming in off that top warding. Just the pick thickness would be getting pretty close on it. So these are pretty cool. I don't think I have tried to do work on pins this tiny. So that alone is impressing me. All right. God, I mean, look at that little guy. Little tiny, very nice serrations in there off of a kind of spool reduced diameter bit thing going on. I mean, that is crazy. I mean, should we throw up a regular pin as a comparison? I mean, I know you guys pretty much know regular pins, but again, little tiny serrated there. Oh, it looks like he almost has a little warp on him. I don't know if that could just be from, picking, or maybe just a manufacturing flaw there. Sometimes I wonder if there's any palm reader lock pickers. And they get excited when they're like, "Oh, I'll read your palm. Oh, you're going to have bad luck tomorrow." I know palm readers don't predict like that. Oh God, look at that little tiny T-pin element on the end of it. I'm guessing that might be, look at that. That's kind of cool because you can kind of see where it was gripped. I don't know if it's probably a little difficult for you. Me under the camera, I can see where it was gripped in the vices. It's a little line right in there. This to me was probably a factory spool that got touched up. That's just my opinion. Could be very wrong on that though. Little tiny serration in the T-pin down there. Those are really cool. I like especially having the combo where the one has the little T-pin element at the tip and the other has a little bit of an element at the base of its spool. That's a neat combo. And we got another one that's like that too. Yeah, you can see where it was clamped up. I don't know why I find that interesting. It's these little fragments that we don't necessarily mean to leave behind, I guess. There's something interesting about coming across those kind of marks. Little production marks and things like that. All right, well, there we go. That is a challenge luck from number 4, Gereon Bodner. All right, man. Well, thanks for picking this up. Was this from AJ, I think? Well, thanks for sending it to me. And yeah, there we go. An Avis 7240. All right, everybody. Have a good one.